I'm going on a date today. Yes, I know I told you guys that I am going to be intentionally single this year. So I am gonna stay single this year, okay? But who said I can't go out on dates and just have some fun, right? So get ready with me to go on a date. Basically, we have three options. Let me quickly show it to you guys. This is option number one. It's a whole denim on denim look and it's really cool, okay? I really like it, but I feel like I don't want to show off my fashion sense on my first date. So like, I think I'm going to go with something more subtle. This is option number two and it's giving Geet from Jab We Met for some reason. I think it's the skirt or the puff sleeves on my hand. I don't know what it is. Are we feeling it? I don't think so, guys. I look like some kind of country girl for some reason. Okay, you know what? I'm going to try on one more outfit and then I think we have to finalize quickly because I'm getting late for my date now. This is option number three. It's very giving business casual. Like, I'm here to get to know you. I'm here to interview you. I'm not really interested in dating you. That is what it's giving. Okay, but I don't know. This is kind of a cool fit as well. I think I may go ahead with this one. Let me just finalize the fit and then I'll get back to you guys. So this is what I have finally finalized. It's the same top that I showed you guys earlier, but I've changed the bottom to make it look a little less business casual. I don't know, I think it's cute. I think this is a good outfit. So let's just go ahead with this. I'm wearing my favorite perfume to smell great. Because even if my outfit looks trash, at least I smell good. So I'm taking a metro to go to this restaurant, by the way, because there's a direct metro line that goes directly to the restaurant. So I was like, why not? I don't want to be stuck in traffic. So let me give you guys a little backstory about this guy before my auto comes. I met this guy at a house party and he dropped me home after the house party basically, and we just vibed in the car. So after that I was like, okay, I should meet this guy again because he just has so much to say and he's extremely emotionally intelligent, which I really love in people. So I was like, we should hang out again. So yesterday I got this invitation for a restaurant opening very last minute and I was like, who do I take as my plus one? And that's when I thought of this guy. And I was anyway planning to meet this guy again. So I was like, why not take him as my plus one? So that's why I'm going to be taking him to the restaurant opening as my plus one today. I'm kind of nervous because this is like the first time we are hanging out, like just two of us. Like the first time I met him, it was at a house party, right? So I'm a little nervous, but I'm mostly excited because he has a lot to say. He's very sweet and all of that. So I hope I have a good time. Okay, my auto is here, so I'm going to meet you guys in the metro or when I meet him, I don't know. Let's see. See you guys. Wish me luck. Get yourself a guy who takes pictures of you randomly when you're doing random things. Oh my god. I love these. This guy got himself an owl and a snitch. Show me the other one.
Yeah, one second.
So cute.
I have so many of these.
At home.
Yeah.
I bought this lip gloss today. Let's try it. Not focusing. No, it's okay. No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I don't know if it did anything. My date is turning into a grocery shopping spree, guys. I just hope my date isn't getting bored. Are you getting bored?
I'm not. Not at all.
I literally came for one thing and I'm leaving with so many things. I literally came just to buy this, guys. Aww. Guys, he got me a...
Dye or dry?
Yeah, he got me a little crocheted flower. It's so cute. Oh my god, I love it. That was my intention, but I don't know.
It's a flower that will never dry, die or dry.
Yeah, he got me a little crochet. appreciate flowers. So cute. Oh my god, I love it. So the restaurant opening that I went to, they gave me this little rose. Got done with my date. I'm gonna go home and fill you guys in the details while I remove my makeup. I've been wearing this makeup for like hours now. I'm sick of it. So I'm back home from my date. Let me fill you guys on the details. First of all, you know, if you ever go out with a guy or a girl on a date, how you feel at the end of the date says a lot about how you feel about the person. If you had a good time, you will leave the date feeling good. If you had a bad time, you will leave the date feeling drained. So keep this in mind if you're also planning to go on a date anytime soon. So as you guys already know, I went for this restaurant opening and it was like a French restaurant, and this guy was vegetarian, so I had to kind of like be considerate about him. So we ordered like one pasta and one pizza, and basically I didn't want to order like a non-veg dish because I can't finish something all by myself. Plus I don't really mind vegetarian. So we got like a pasta and a pizza and it was pretty good. And then the hot chocolate also, we shared it because we felt like we can't finish it all by ourselves. So the food was like good. What I loved about this guy is the fact that he's very passionate about photography. Okay, so the entire time he was taking a lot of pictures of me just because he felt like she's looking good right now. Let me just quickly capture this moment right now. I felt like that was so sweet. Like every time he felt like I was looking good, he pulled out his phone and he just started taking pictures of me. I just loved that about this guy because I don't know. This is one of those rare instances where, you know, somebody else is taking pictures of me rather than asking me to take pictures of them. Because usually when I go out with my friends or whatever, people usually want pictures to be taken of themselves, right? This guy was so different that way. He was taking pictures of me the entire time and it was just so wholesome. It was just so sweet. Like a bunch of pictures from today. I'm definitely meeting this guy again. I got a very friendly vibe from him. I feel like we can be good friends. That's what I love about getting to know people. I feel like now that I've gotten out of a relationship, I can actually sense whether a person is for me and whether I can date them or whether they're just great as friends. And trust me, I have some really great friends in my life who I don't want to lose, you know. Another thing is this guy is so freaking thoughtful. Like I was just looking at this crochet flower at this little shop that we saw at the mall. I was just looking at it and I thought it was really pretty and he bought it for me. And he's like, I'm gonna gift you this flower because it's never gonna die. It's just so sweet. If my date is watching this video, thank you for the flower. So I'm definitely hanging out with him again, but I think we're just gonna be friends. So that's that. Thank you guys so much for coming with me on my first date. Let me know if you guys want to see a part 2 where I go out with him on a second date but just as friends. Let me know. If you guys like this video, as always, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and I will see you guys next time. Love ya. Bye.